All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. So we got a battle box, and I was excited about this one because of the knife. Really dig this knife. And again, let me put it here on camera. You can see it. There we go. So when I saw this knife, I was like, man, this look good, and I'm enjoying it. So again, battle box is sent here to the channel by Battlebox. They do it every single month. I definitely appreciate that. It has been months and maybe years by now since they've been doing that. Now you got your basic, advanced, pro plus. You guys know the deal. The pro plus is $160 a month. So I always tell people, look, be really careful about this because at $160 a month, you're looking at a motorcycle payment, right? So that's a lot of money. So make sure you know what you're doing. Make sure you make the right decisions to you, your financial situation, right? There's sometimes equipment that you could utilize, equipment that you get excited about, just like this knife. And there's all the time that you get equipment that you're like, wow, really? I just wasted my money, right? So again, I see people talking about that all the time. It's kind of like a gamble. So if you don't like to gamble with your money, don't get into it. If you got a spare money that you want to spend a couple months, do it. That's up to you. I get this for free. They send it to me and I show it to you guys. I like it, but if I'm in, spend $160 a month, I got a wife and 3 kids and people to send to schools and stuff, it will be very, very difficult for me to do it. I'm just being honest with some of you guys. So again, Battlebox this month is you got some knife stuff, you got some cores, you got a couple different things. I'm going to show it to you guys. The first thing is going to be this knife right there, knife oil knife, or knife oil. There we go. KPL knife oil. And again, it's this right here. I was actually looking for something to take care of my blades. I don't really usually take care of my blades that much, but obviously I've been trying to do that. But this is going to be to oil your knife. Again, very, very cool. About $14.99. The next thing is going to be quarters. Oh, by the way, before I get into the second thing, here's a coupon. Very, very cool. So the second thing is going to be this right here. And actually, I got this from, I got a similar package from Battlebox already. And I thought it was really cool because the fact that you could put all the cordage inside a container allows you to put in a backpack, maybe in a truck, maybe anywhere, and then you don't have a mess, right? Everything is really nice, compact inside this container, and then when you need cordage, you just take it out, right? So obviously this is more for like camping, stuff like that, right? Safety is really, green, very, very visible. You have a little blade in here that you have right there, so you could cut the cordage, and obviously you have a chem light there. This is pretty cool, guys. Very, very cool. I guess it's exclusive to Battlebox Edition. Quick core, military inspired outdoor gear. I could see this that is military inspired for sure. That's going to be about $34. Sounds like a lot of money, but it is what it is. And the last thing, which my son Lorenzo loved to do, is read these books that Battlebox sent. And this is going to be valued about $35. Again, sounds to me like a lot of money, $35 for this on the core. But again, it is what it is. Extreme Weather Survival Manual, 214 pages. And again, like I told you, my son Lorenzo likes to see these things. Every time I get a book, he wants to look at it and he wants to, like, I don't know, read it, I guess. So I guess I got a son that kind of follows after me. So again, this is going to be the book. And like I said, it's going to be valued about $35. That's going to be the basic box. And the next thing, we're going to have this thing that I was kind of like, it is what it is. This is the advanced box, and it's going to be like a beach, kind of like survival tube or something. So again, this is like what I'm saying right here. This is one of those things that is, I don't know, very, if you want to call it, very unique to somebody. Like I know somebody that goes fishing all the time and things like that. I'm probably going to give him this. But there's other people out there that probably would never going to use this, right? So again, this is valued about $60, and it comes in a little package like this. And apparently, if you pull this, it's gonna, the inside is in there. I don't even want to mess with it because I'm gonna give it to somebody. The inside is there. Apparently, it's supposed to become this big tube that you can obviously give it to somebody and it will be floating. So again, maybe not some, maybe fishing, maybe you go to the beach a lot, maybe you have a pool in your house, and if you have a pool, it would be nice to have this in one of the outside containers or something. Something happened, you go open it and throw it to the person if you don't know how to swim or something like that. So again, this is the kind of equipment that is very, very unique. And again, it may be beneficial for some people, may not be too beneficial for somebody else, right? So let me put that to the side right there. And here's the next thing. This right here, right? And this is going to be in the Pro box. And again, it's going to be valued about $84. And it's going to be a Cali Loha Pancho 80 by 55 reversible. And again, sounds like a lot of money, Battlbox. $85. Wow. That sounds like a lot of money, right? You could go to Target and probably buy one a little bit cheaper than that. So let me open this up, kind of show it to you guys. And obviously you guys get the deal. I love these things, right? It's like a sleeping blanket kind of container, right? So again, I love this because I like to go camping a lot, and it's nice to have these things for the family. It's nice to give it to the kids and things like that, right? Let me see if there's anything else in there. All right. So no. So again, that's what it is. You guys see the picture here. You guys get the deal, right? And then the last thing that we have, which I was in love, is the knife. And this is what I was excited about. $120 value right here from Tops. And this is what I'm talking about. A lot of times you may get some gear that is really not that exciting, but then you come to the knife, and then the knife kind of makes it value everything, right? And it's kind of like a different type of carry. You could probably carry this at 12:30, 1 o'clock, something like that, and it will be good, obviously, if your state allows you to carry this kind of stuff. So again, really nice knife, kind of like a self-defense kind of knife. So bring it out and you kind of hold it like this. Obviously, it's one of those knives that you could probably protect yourself and carry. So there you have it, guys. Look at this thing. This thing is gorgeous, man. Wow. I really dig it. Look at this. Wow. I don't know why, guys. I'm usually not a knife guy, but let me put it right there. But I'll tell you what, when I saw this knife, I thought it was so cool, and it's so easy to carry. Like, it's just so easy to put it in your belt and carry this. You don't even notice, right? It doesn't even get in the way. So again, really nice knife, and I'm enjoying it a ton, right? So let me see if it says anything here. Tops knife poker. I actually tried to Google it. I couldn't find it. Maybe it's like one of those things that they do for Battlbox. And again, very, very cool. Let me see this. Let me show you this. Always gotta love it when the American flag is right behind that. So look at this, man, made in the USA. So anyways, that's what we got for the Battlbox. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below, and as always, God is in control.